Welcome to the Valotalive Help Center. In this video, we'll take a look at Valotalive's AI Smart Summaries feature within the SharePoint app. You are in full control of the feature, and the setting can be turned on and off in the SharePoint app configuration. You'll start by opening the SharePoint app you wish to use and locate Configuration in the left-hand menu. Then you'll scroll down to locate the option to use the AI Summary setting within the SharePoint app. To turn it on, you'll select Yes. It's important to note that this process is not instantaneous, so saving the app settings with AI Smart Summaries on might take a moment. Please be patient. This is an example of how the content can look on your display. This feature uses Google's Gemini AI to create concise summaries of your SharePoint news posts, which can significantly improve the readability of your content on digital signage screens. The way it works is, when the AI Smart Summaries setting is enabled in the Valotalive SharePoint app's configuration, your SharePoint news posts are sent to Gemini. The content is then analyzed to create a summary specifically tailored for your digital screens. These summaries are designed to be brief, containing 3 or 4 bullet points, while the original title of your news post will remain unchanged. That's it for the Valotalive AI Smart Summary for SharePoint, allowing you the flexibility to choose the best presentation method for your content. For more detailed guidance, please explore the other articles and videos in our Help Center. Thanks for watching.